Badami or Watapi. And then Badami, you know that it is in the what? Bagalkot. Where it is it? Bagalkot district. And the Bagalkot district, we will see that which river is crossing? Malprabha. And this region lies between, in the Deccan region lies between, it is in a buffer zone between Nagara style and Dravida style. So you can be able to see in this region both the temple style. Which are the temple style? This is in a Dravida, and then this is in a curvilinear, it will be what? Nagara. Clear? And thereafter we have been able to see which are the famous temples, which river is crossing through this? Malprabha. And you can be able to see the important temple Virupaksha. Yes or not? वीर किससे मल्लिका मिली? मल्लिका अर्जुन. और मल्लिका अर्जुन अब किसके संग रहती हैं? कैलाशनाथ टेम्पल. एंड देन आई सेड दैट संगमेश्वर. एंड देन अब कैलाश जी गायब हो गए, तो अब क्या कर रही हैं वो? गली गली पता ढूंढ रही हैं. द गलगानाथ टेम्पल एंड देन पटाडक्कल. एंड एट पटाडक्कल सेवरल मॉन्यूमेंट्स आर देयर. Understood it? This is when I talked about Chalukyas. And after the Chalukyas, we have seen Hoysala. And Hoysala is famous for Hoysaleshwar temple. And I said that yes, Hoysala of Dwarsamudra, Hoysaleshwar, and then Chennakeshwar. Understood? And this is when I said that Hoysala Rafoge will become star. So star-shaped temples. These temples are, I said that, star-shaped temple. And in the Hassan district, Hoysaleshwar temple, that is in a Halbid. And then there is in a Bellur. Yes, बेल्लूर में कौन सा है? यस, तो कभी बेल्ले बैठोगे तो चेन्नई खाओगे, सब स्टार नहीं बनोगे तो क्या करोगे? बेल्ले बैठोगे. और सो चन्नकेश्वर टेम्पल एट, एंड पंजाबी में बेल्ले मतलब है आइडल. देन पीपल आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, सिटिंग समथिंग. सो आई सेड दैट चन्नकेश्वर टेम्पल बेल्लूर. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट राष्ट्रकूटास. एंड राष्ट्रकूटा इज फेमस फॉर, टेल मी फास्ट. E for Ellora and E for Elephanta. And Ellora, and what we will see in the Ellora? Tell me fast. Ellora, how many caves are there? 34 caves. And then first to 14? Chalo, first to 12, which caves are there? Buddhist cave. And 13 to 29? Hindu caves. Understood? And then 16 cave is which cave? Kailashnath temple. And you know that the one we have seen like this kind of temples, it is if you compare with the Deccan and then compare with this one in the Tamil Nadu, that is a Pallava, there is a large differences. And thereafter we have been able to see which caves are there. It is rock cut caves. Rock cut caves. And then we have been able to see there in the Elephanta. What is there in the Elephanta? Trimurti. And this is this Ellora caves are showing here. What it is now? Some religious aspects, or it is a secular aspect? So there is a Buddhism, Jainism and Brahminical aspects. All are there. So we have finished up to this, and now we are going to see Indo-Islamic. Which one I said? And Indo-Islamic, which are we have to see? Delhi Sultanate. Which one I said that? Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire. Which are I said? So which are the important dynasty in the Delhi Sultanate? Slave, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, and Yadav, and their periods are like I talked about. And thereafter 1320 and Tughlaq, 1430 Sayyid, and Lodi it is. Okay. So I have said that, कल मैंने आपको बताया था, what I have said, that in the Delhi Sultanate, slave came khali hand, and then what they did, tum talaq. What they did, and thereafter I said that, then शादी किया, and thereafter load करके चला गया. Understood? And you can be able to see there is this, and especially Khalji has a good amount of money. Okay? And who has contributed this good amount of money? लूटिंग थोड़ी है, अटैकिंग एंड देन डिफीटिंग समवन. लूटिंग नहीं था. लूटिंग के लिए तो महमूद गजनी वाज फेमस. आप जब स्टार्ट स्टोरी होगी वो होगी मोहम्मद बिन कासिम, दैट इज इन 800 AD. ही वाज थिंकिंग टू गिव अ टेक इन टेरिटरी, एंड देन 1000 AD में देयर इज एन व्हिच वन, मोहम्मद गजनी, एंड देन 1200 AD आते समय देयर इज एन मोहम्मद गौरी. दीज आर द व्हाट थ्री, एंड आफ्टर दैट दिल्ली सल्तनत स्टार्ट्स. Understood? And Mahmud Ghazni is the only in the 1000 AD. He was the only looter. Okay. So I said that. क्या हमने बोला? In this slab, and then slab में आपको जो important rulers जिसके लिए आपको जानना होगा, that is, and I said that Qutbuddin Aibak. Thereafter I said that only important ruler for the architecture, and here it is I said. Another it is I said Iltutmish, and then I said that Ghiyasuddin Balban. So which are the three important rulers will be there in the slab? Yes, which I said Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, and then I said that. Yes. So I said that slab has one dog, Kutta, and Kutta got the knowledge. Ilm liya. Ilm is knowledge, and after ilm everybody become strong. So what I said that Balsari. So I said that which one I said the Balm is strong. So which are the three important rulers? I said Qutbuddin. नहीं तो यहाँ पे कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, आराम शाह, इल्तुतमिश, रजिया सुल्तान, बहरम शाह, ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पे केवल आपको थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट आई सेड. विच आर द थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट? यस टेल मी, विच आर द थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट? एक हेलो, बैटरी लेके आओ नीचे से, बैटरी. कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक, Iltutmish, and then I said that Ghiyasuddin Balban. ये तो दिमाग में सेट हो गया. Next one we are going to see. कुत्ता क्या है? इल्म लिया, and thereafter getting Bal. And then Khilji में the famous one is I said that Alauddin Khilji. And इन्हीं के अंडर में कौन था? मलिक तुगलक. So there is an so ये तो आपको याद रहेगा. Malik Kafur, and I am discussing there is none as Hajar Dinari, and I said here it is an Ghiyas Uddin Tughlaq, and his son was Jona Khan, who become, I said, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and thereafter Firoz Shah Tughlaq. For this it is, these are the But these two are important for this, that Firoz Shah is important for as the architecture. He has done the, what is the wealth has been destroyed. And Ghiyasuddin Balban, if you know that Ghiyasuddin Balban